And this is the quick review Fibonacci sequence. So a Fibonacci sequence is one where you get the next term by adding the two previous terms, right? And we talked about how Fibonacci is found in nature and such, in a lot of things like flower petals and pine cone spirals and such like that. All right, 5 and 8 would have to mean the next term is 5 plus 8, or 13. And therefore now the next term after that has to be 8 plus 13 and 21. And the next term after that has to be 13 plus 21 or 34, right? So we just gave the next three terms of the Fibonacci sequence. How do you get it? You add the two previous terms. Well, we also talked about the golden ratio, and simply this is something that's aesthetically pleasing to most people in Western cultures. Aesthetically pleasing means it's pleasing to your eyes. You look at it and you think it looks good. All right, golden ratio. What is the golden ratio? How do you find it? So I've asked the question, give the decimal value of the fourth term of the golden ratio. All right, so usually we use a capital G. Here, I'm going to do this one in green. Why not? Capital G. And I want the third term, so G sub 3. All right, so you have to remember how to figure out the third term of a golden ratio, right? The third term of a golden ratio. So as you remember, it's the Fibonacci of the fourth term, right? The 3 plus 1 over the Fibonacci of the third. And so it says for the sequence above. So I really need the fourth term divided by the third. So 1, 2, 3, fourth. So the fourth is 21 divided by the third, which is 13. And a lot of times we're going to give this in decimal form, but it's exactly 21/13. If we wanted it in decimal form, I'm going to take the 21 divided by 13. I get 1.615. 1.615, the golden ratio. All right, so Fibonacci sequence. How do you get the next number in the sequence? You add the previous two. How do you do the golden ratio? All right, a golden ratio ties into Fibonacci sequence. If I want the third term, it'll be the Fibonacci's fourth term divided by the third. If I want the 100th term, it'll be Fibonacci 101 divided by Fibonacci 100. Okay, golden ratio and Fibonacci.